Hi guys, welcome back to another video. On this video we're going to look at a thing called making waves. Are you sure?
Absolutely not. So we're looking at double wrist grabs or somebody grabbing your cane, and it's an Okinawan karate principle, it's an Aikido principle, it's a Wing Chun principle. It is a principle.
And you stand high on your principles.
I have no principles. This technique doesn't rely on strength, which is awesome, especially for me, and we're relying on two principles and two techniques. The first one is, we call this Shuey. We do this a lot, and we're bringing our hands up, but as we bring our hands up with this one, if this is the opponent's hand, we're grabbing the meat of the thumb, the flesh around there. The second principle is called Tenshi, heaven and earth. One hand up, one hand down. Nice and relaxed. This is in Cypher Kata, it's in Tai Chi forms, it's in Aikido, it's in martial arts, that's all you need to know. Same principle, requires no physical strength, it's a nice principle. Right, what we have is our not as good as Dan Uki, who's going to use the sofa as a support. I only have to step backwards. So the first principle was this Yoi position. So Kev's going to grab both my wrists, and if strong lad, and I'm going to fight him on this. So, and it's literally going to be who's the strongest. Now I know your keyboards are typing, because obviously at this point I could go, there's a rather accessible groin there.
No, there's not.
This is true.
Please see Tim Larkin's film, his video on his channel, on how difficult it is to kick someone in the groin.
But we're not doing this as a street technique, we're doing this as a principle which you can then use later.
Yeah.
So
I'm holding on for dear life here.
He's holding on for dear life. So if we're using force on force, it's who's bigger and stronger. But for those who know me, you don't know me, do you? See, let's say, what's my favourite colour?
Orange.
See, he doesn't know me. I'm going to...
It's pink.
Blue! No, green, right. So I'm just going to relax, and he's going to fight this, but I'm going to, do you know what, I really can't be bothered with you. And this is where I grab his hand, here. Oh look, this is now very weak. Now I can do one of those lovely twists.
Nice, go on. Go.
If I'm just,
there we go.
Like that. Now I can kick him in the groin. I can do... I can do...
Why mess with the groin? The face is there.
Perfect technique here.
No.
Trigger. Hang on. I'll just wipe that off there.
Yeah, please.
So
That's where you've been.
Now, if you see our Tai Chi warm-ups or Qigong warm-ups, we did this where we bounce the knees. So as I'm relaxing and he's holding on for dear life, I'm going to bounce him up. And the more relaxed I am, the more effective it is.
Okay, now show it to fruition. I'll tap when it's too much. There we go.
Now, because it's Kevin, we like him. What I would...
You have that in writing?
No. As I've got that on, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to keep my hand there. But imagine my hand is coming with me.
I'll do this for
I would step back.
Yeah.
And as I'm pulling...
Wow, that's...
I would be doing this nice motion here.
Just to let you know, if you just hold me up, when he pulls, that hurts. On the wrist, that hurts. Okay? As soon as he started to go, for me, clockwise, I felt the pain down the radius to the elbow. As soon as he dropped his hand down, the pain shot right the way up the outside of the arm, and when he went a little bit further, I felt it racking, like popping tendons in my elbow.
I'd like to point out, I would still be using this hand.
You've changed position and it, put it on.
So there's lots of things. I quite like doing this motion as I'm stepping back. this leg comes back and then it comes forward. So as I'm pulling down,
Yeah.
I can then get a kick in the groin.
We'll probably get a knee to the chest and all the nasty things.
Yes. So that's the principle of the first one. The second one, heaven and earth. Where's heaven? Ooh, do you know what it's worth? Same principle. Who's stronger? Well, obviously he's weak as a kitten now. Look at him.
So what's Belinda Carlisle I've heard this century?
You know I've been banned from singing. So if I try and fight it, now heaven and earth, so it's literally,
I'm not sure which way I'm going to go.
well,
I'm hoping it's this way.
so you want to know which way you're swinging. Okay.
Yeah.
So this hand's going to go down, this hand's going to go up.
So I'm going towards the dangerous area.
Alright, I'll go the other way for Kevin.
It's in case I fall.
Oh,
I've not got insurance.
I have.
Oh, it's okay, I'll sue you.
Brilliant. So, don't fight it, just relax. I'm going to put my palm to the up and then I'll save you, Kevin.
Okay, I'm going to change my position slightly. No, you say the same, mate. You say the same. Just so that I've got a little bit more stability by putting my leg against the couch.
So, nice and relaxed. This is where your nice meditative breathing comes in. So, my palm's, this hand, it's going to go to the ceiling. His grip's getting tighter the more I talk. This hand's just going to point towards the floor. And I'm going to relax and just, look. There you go.
Okay.
What a wuss. Now,
On this, can I just, once we got to here, and Chris has come up to this position,
nice grip there.
I don't know if you can see, we've got on the camera there. If I hold it that way, so you can see,
Nice bong sound.
also, but that's what's happened to my hand. My little fingers come off, my ring fingers come off, my index fingers come off, and literally I've got no power to hold him. So if he just continued to move, I can't, I'm going to try and grip as hard as I can. Go. The idea of me grabbing was to control. By that, I've lost control. By that, I'm released, and then I'm going.
He's looking into my eyes, and it's a dangerous thing because he knows I've had an idea. We're not going to do that.
Go for it. No, it's.
All right. Now I
I don't know if
know.
it's dangerous. That's my middle name.
Thought it was Reginald.
No, it's not Reginald.
So as I'm doing this, he's off balance. So I'm just going to keep him off balance.
Okay. I've got your little finger. Oh no, I haven't got your little finger.
There's lots of more. This would be very slow, but here he's off balance.
Oh no.
I can see a very nice.
Yeah, I'm glad you didn't see the other one.
What, the knee to the groin?
No, the other one.
Well, I could also bring that round into a shoulder dislocation.
Okay.
With a perfectly good face there.
Unwind.
Unwind.
Go back up.
Aha.
No, use over more. You rhino.
Oh, you want? So if I'm here,
Yeah.
now I would just drop my elbow.
Ah, that's the one.
See, I was saving that for later. but
Was
never
you?
mind.
Oh
Now,
well.
the question we always ask ourselves, is this practical with a cane? Well, it's a silly question because that's why we're here. I know why I'm here. Why are you here? He doesn't know.
See, 42.
Hmm.
Okay, so with two canes, we're going to let Chris go with this because of my mobility. I'm not going to be able to do them. So I'm going to give Chris the two canes, and he's going to show the technique. I just haven't got stability today, mate. Sorry.
Well,
But I'm going to come in for the grab again.
so if he does a 2 cane grab, as he's done, this one's already on the ground for me. Now, again, if I start fighting, I'm actually in a worse position because if I need these for balance, so my left hand's going to just keep that on the ground. I'm just going to push it out slightly, and this hand, he wants to resist, but he daren't. I'm just going to go up.
Yeah, no,
I can go that, destroy the equipment, but coming on the inside, and this one's going to the
Yeah.
outside.
I've now opened myself up to absolute loads of stuff.
And don't forget, you've got these nice
Ow!
things you can do with
I
this.
don't know if this camera's going to pick it up, but that's... I've got 2 bones. I'm going to try and stand. I've got 2 bones here, radius and ulnar, and that's got in the middle of both of them. And just resting it there hurts. So you can imagine pulling and dragging, that's going to be... Ah, you've marked me.
I know.
Vicious Kid. Another film reference. Do you think they'll get that one?
Will he or won't he?
I don't know.
You're weird.
You just found out.
Up, out. I can go this way.
That is really disconcerting.
But he's putting grip on that. Now, my reaction is I'm going to fight him for this. But if I don't fight and just pull, silly person. Now, what's happened there? You know that proverbial kick to the groin? I've still got 2 points of balance with the canes.
Yeah, I can.
Obviously, you can't kick.
No.
But look, your ear is there.
I know.
But you can see the potential of this technique.
See, I do like that. I must admit that to me is one that I can actually do because I'm still using the mobility on the
So
case.
grab canes. We will prove this.
Ah,
So all he has to do is just force the weight of the canes onto the ground, relax. His elbows are going to relax out. His weight's going to relax out. So I'm going to be Mr. Ruff, and my balance is gone.
yeah.
Now, if he
Again, the after effects of this can be slide down, and what everyone likes to do, the shots of the groin.
Now, when he's done that spread out, my grip actually loosened on there as well. So from there, if he swings that cane up and over, I have no grip, and oh shock, not in the peak. I've been collared.
Yeah.
Take it on the chest. So the principle is, at the baseline is, if they are being strong and you're trying to be stronger, it's not going to work. If they're bigger and stronger, it's not going to work. If you relax, different directions, you've got the chance to get them off balance. It's not 100%. I've done this on some people and it has not worked at all until I went, ooh, groin. Attention was then focused on the groin, that relaxed, technique went on, it worked. So they're softening techniques. Which one's this one?
Well, I like the old post-punk. Oi, oi, oi.
I prefer oggy, oggy, oggy.
Okay, but this is yoi.
Yoi.
You'll do your position. I'm going to get my canes back on here so I can grab you.
This is going to be from a single hand. We'll do it from a single hand, it could be double hand, doesn't matter. But the principle is the same. Now, if you've got 2 canes, very difficult to do this because you've got to lift both hands up. This is why we're going for a single cane. So as it comes up, I'm grabbing the flesh and I'm pulling. I have a cane. I'm on his dead side. I wonder who will win.
Me.
But you're such a loser.
Well, we know this.
Now, if I got the cane, if he grabs the cane...
Okay. Follow it through.
Follow it through.
Okay, that's an elbow lock, and then again.
Well, I've got this one, I can smash onto this one.
Yeah.
I've got a nice thumb here.
Nice.
What goes up?
Must come down. That didn't hurt at all.
Didn't.
No.
Did you get that?
No, that didn't hurt at all.
It doesn't hurt at all. If I'm holding the cane this way, grab the wrist, go on, you know you want to. See, this is brilliant, because as again,
my legs are in the wrong position.
need I say it, that would come up nicely.
Ow.
But just for the ease of this, I will bring this up. I'm being careful of that arm, which in theory wouldn't be there.
Yeah.
I've then got the flesh of the hand.
Yeah.
I'm ripping that down.
I've now got no grip at all.
I'd be trying to be careful because the cane is here. So that wouldn't be just tapping.
Sliding. Oh no, I know what's coming next.
Oh, didn't somebody invent a double tap?
No, it was a dream you had.
But
Not at the throat either.
yeah,
It's my nostril.
you can see there's lots of points that you can play with as well.
You better wipe the end of that now.
Yeah. Now, if he does a cross grip, this is so.
So get them out of the way of the camera.
Okie doke. This is nice. He's grabbed my wrist, he's across, it's come up, I'm trying to avoid him.
Ah,
You can see a completely different technique.
I've barred myself.
Yes.
Ah. Yeah, but I've got defences now.
Okay, you're going to block this cane with your elbow.
Yes, because they don't hurt at all.
Do you know, I could do a nice rhino from here.
Yeah, trombone.
Oh.
Because fair enough, go back to that again, Chris.
This looks familiar.
Go onto the elbow. Drop the elbow down. You're actually bringing me on as well as, sort of pushing forward.
Bearing in mind, that arm is there, so he's got balance.
Yeah.
So that might be trying to come in for a
Well, I'm
punch.
going to try and give you a punch.
So if that's going to be a punch.
I'm going to try and give you another punch.
Oh yeah. I'm trying not to.
Yeah, that's really going to
Yes.
not bode well for me, really.
So you can see the applications of this from that.
The yaw is a really good position, and I just wish that I could do it with two canes, but I can't.
Now, you can move with this. It doesn't necessarily have to be works with a grab on the wrist. If you do the old hand on, and it just comes up. If you come,
No,
I'm not.
I value my elbow.
Oh, it's not your elbow you're going to worry about, because I've still got the up. If he's got a grip on there, and I try and do a technique, it's not going to work.
No.
If I come up, strike, then it will work.
Yep.
If I do it this way round,
We'll go back to the old favourites.
rotating
Yeah.
here.
Yeah. I'm getting deja vu here.
You could go here or here.
Yeah, I'm getting big deja vu now. I'm getting. Oh,
You're
there might be a
getting-
video about that somewhere on our site.
So the whole principle of those two techniques is big and strong, be relaxed.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. You've been an absolute star. You got to the end of the video. So don't forget to drop us a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, ring the bell.
And don't forget guys, if you want to see more videos, the key goal one's going to be directly below me.
More hand grabby ones going to be below me, but then again nothing's finished.
Thanks for watching, and in the immortal words of Chris, toodles.